Did you know that one of New York's most polite criminals once served coffee to their hostages during a massive hotel robbery? On January 2nd, 1972, a group of thieves walked into the fancy Pierre Hotel dressed as maintenance workers. But they weren't there to fix anything. They were there to pull off one of the biggest hotel heists in history. The gang, led by Samuel Nalo and Robert Comfort, had spent months planning every detail. They had inside help from hotel workers who gave them building maps, security schedules, and even safe combinations. For 10 hours, they held 19 people hostage in the basement while drilling into 208 safe deposit boxes. They stole $4 million worth of jewelry, cash, and bonds. That's $25 million in today's money. The crazy part? The thieves were so nice that victims called them gentlemanly. They served coffee and sandwiches to everyone they held captive, but their politeness couldn't save them. Police tracked down stolen jewelry being sold around the city and caught the entire crew within months.